Hi, today we're here with Mark Pomerantz of Business Armour. And Mark, I wanted to ask you, why Business Armour? What makes it so special?
Well, that's a good question. There's three things that really make the Business Armour garment unique: the fit, the fabrication, and the construction.
So you mentioned the fit. Why do men look so great in Business Armour?
Well, you really hit on the most tantamount point about custom clothing, is the fit has to be precise. And when I was studying in Italy, I developed a system of what in Italian I call quadrante di misura, which is really quadrants of measurements. And that way we're able to most accurately focus on the most common areas of garment measurement and then refine them to each person's unique differences from there.
Well, that makes great sense. There's nothing better than a man in a well-fitted suit, I must say.
Well, the top quality cloths today, as they always have been, are coming primarily out of England. As I mentioned, they offer the most consistent and the highest quality two-ply weft construction with the most modern advancements in weight and finish and blend technology. Where we're manufacturing clothing, as I mentioned, we really went on a search for what facilities embodied and housed the equipment we wanted and allowed us to develop that garment. And we ended up with a facility outside of Shanghai. The reason that top quality manufacturing now is being found outside of Shanghai is they have all the resources and infrastructure. They have financial infrastructure, and they have a modern philosophy that wants to attract garment business. So a lot of our competitors, they really manufacture in what I call a legacy-based system. They've been around for 40, 50, 60 years domestically, or say up in Canada, or even over in Europe, maybe in Europe over 100 years. But they're these family-owned operations. They don't want to really grow with the times. What we wanted to do was develop a garment from the very beginning and say, what is the most important attributes that go into manufacturing a fine luxury men's product? At the top of that list, I realize, is the machinery that touches it. From the initial stitches to the final laser-guided pressing, the machinery is what gives you that final finished, polished look. And where we ended up was with a facility that not only had these machines, that they delivered garments that fit and felt the best, but allowed us to truly engineer the inner workings, the seams, the construction, the threads, the canvases, not just the design and the fabrics and all of the source details.
Well, Mark, that was a lot of information, and I'd say I learned a lot today and what to look for. And there you have it. Real business suits for real business men. Mark Pomerantz, Business Armour.